Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. Today I thought I'd cover another rare slime to add to the growing collection of slimes I've made, and I decided on a puddle slime tutorial. This is probably my favourite slime I've made so far, especially since their favourite toy is a rubber duck. Here's a list of everything you'll need in order to make this. The fabric choice can be changed to whichever fabric you see fit. Pause here if you need to. Pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt. Once you have it, cut out all of the pieces using the key in the top left corner. The first thing you need to do is take one of the face sides and sew up the dart in the centre. Then take one of the black eye pieces and sew a small white dot in the corner using a backstitch or a running stitch. Repeat this for the second eye. Take the body side piece that doesn't have the dart sewn up and using a backstitch or a running stitch, sew the white oval onto the side with no tracing onto the right hand side of the dart. Then, on the far lower side of the front face piece, join on each eye piece on either side carefully using the same method. Draw some base lines if you need to, and take your pink embroidery floss and across the centre between the eyes, sew in bold lines to create a blush effect, pulling each line so it lays flat. Now that the face detailing is complete, sew up the centre dart of the face piece. Place both face sides together with the tracing facing up and sew them together, leaving the straight edge open. For the puddle, take each individual piece of the 4 pieces and align it to the bottom piece. Then join them gradually together along the straight edge. Once joined, place this piece and the bottom piece together so that the tracing shows, and sew this piece to the bottom piece. Lastly, take the face piece and align the seams in the centre of the puddle where the circular gap was and begin joining it together. When you've nearly reached the end of the sewing line, flip the plush the right way up and stuff it. And close off the open end with an invisible stitch. And that is how you make a puddle slime plush. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!